Hi, I'm Rowan Taylor, Director of Financial Services here at Blackburne. Really interesting information out this week about the makeup of our population growth. A lot gets made about mining booms and the employment and the population growth of people coming in to both Queensland and WA, to a lesser extent Victoria, all off the back of economic growth. Well, new figures out show a totally different story. Now, our overseas migration across all of Australia makes up 59% of our total population growth, which is an enormous figure, which means more people are coming in than we're having babies born in the country. Now, when we break that down, WA and Queensland lead Australia on population growth. But when we look a little bit further, as you can see, Queensland's net interstate migration, meaning people moving from one state in Australia to another, is only 12%, which means an enormous number, 88% of Queensland's population growth is coming from overseas arrivals. That's a big shift in terms of Queensland's economy. Similarly, if you look at WA, we've never really had that strong interstate migration. It's always been coming from people from overseas. So for WA, 90% of our population growth is coming from people moving from outside of Australia. What does this mean for the property market? It's usually pretty good news, because when people move from overseas, they always tend to rent in a place before deciding to settle. So that's going to support our rental market, but it's also a really good sign that all of this hyperbole and huff and puff about the mining boom and how Queensland and WA and any other state that's relying on the resources is going to fall into freefall is exactly that. It's a whole heap of huff and puff. Always have a look at the statistics. Don't believe what's in the media. I'm Rowan Taylor, Director of Financial Services here at Blackburne. If you'd like to know more, give us a call on 1300 INVEST or go to blackburneinvest.com.au.